Good evening, everyone. It is September 29th, 2017. We're doing 2016-17 Leaf Best of Basketball Unopened Edition, one box break, number 13, random teams. So, let's roll the dice. We have a 1 and a 6, so 7 times on the list of names and the teams 7 times. Oh, gotta put the names in there. Here we go. So there's a list of names. Good luck. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we rolled a 7, right? Yep, 7th and final time. After 7 times, J-Mac, you're at the top. Mike Kuntz at the bottom. All right, 7 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. After 7 times, Hornets, Magic is at the top, Lakers right at the bottom. J-Mac, you have the Hornets Magic's combo. Brian with the Suns. Jason K with the Wizards. Edwards, you have the T-Wolves. Joe P with the Bulls. Edwin with the Spurs Bucks combo. Brian with the Warriors, as well as the Pistons Denver Nuggets combo. Jameliel grabs the Clippers and Pacers. Colin with the Rockets. Alfonso with the Nets and Hawks combo. Kip with the Celtics, Mike Tower with the Knicks, Bradley Cook with the Thunder Mavs combo, Paul with the Heat, Mark, you have the 76ers, Brian with the Jazz Raptors, J-Mac, Glassball Mojo with the Pelicans Grizzlies combo, James O with the Cavs, Mark, you have the Blazers Sacramento Kings combo, and Mike with the Los Angeles Lakers. Alright guys, I'm going to alphabetize this by team first name. Let's name this sheet. Then I'll give you guys about a minute or so to get some trades in. And if you guys do make any trades, please type in confirmed. That way I know what it is. How are we gonna do this? Maybe I'll just leave it like this. That way you guys can see that I'm opening up the box. Alright, so we have a trade. Colin, yeah, let me know. Colin has to say confirm too, because even though he said trade Rockets for Kings, we need to make sure he's here, and he definitely confirmed it. Mark did confirm it. He said deal, Kings for Rockets. So, Colin, if you're here, man, let me know. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean or anything like that, but you have to be here. All right, so confirm for sure. Is that it? All right, we'll just close the trade window. All right, and then I think we have 6 total boxes available, right? Yes. So we'll generate one of those. I'm gonna try my best and open this up with an angle that you guys can definitely see this opened. It's gonna be kind of hard, but it's a huge box. But we'll do my best so you guys can check it out. All right, so here is the list, and then let's actually really quickly do that trade. It was Kings for Rockets. All right, so it was a combo team traded for a single team, and I crossed out Colin right here, but you still keep it. I thought it was easier to do it this way instead. So Mark, now you have the Trailblazers, Rockets, and then Colin, you have the Kings now, but that's why I just still wrote Colin. So that was the trade, right? I assume. Good luck to everybody. Well, that's true, right? I mean, some people still get superstitious about us not showing everything. They want to make sure we see the whole box get opened. I just try my best, you know, because although I know you guys know we are very trustworthy, we're not shady, someone can just definitely be watching and they're like, hey, I seen Jaspy's not actually show the whole box being opened, you know? So we just try our best to show that the box is opened. So let's just pull out the boxes. There's one. There's two. It's gonna be kind of hard, but actually let's bring this up a little bit. That way you guys can see it. No. That is not what I wanted. Sorry about that, guys. Come on, box. And the last one. It's right here. Damn it. Hold on. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. There's all the boxes. Let's quickly. Where's the marker? Marker. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have no clue. I didn't get these. Straight up Jenga, right? Alright, let's generate a box. Damn it. Box 1. Of course, the box right at the top. Alright. It is a hassle to break products like this. Hold on really quick, guys. You guys can see that was box 1. What is this? Looks like Prestige. Oh, this is a nice patch, though. Check this out. Super swatches. Jermaine O'Neal, and that is a 3 of 10. That'll be going to the Indiana Pacers. Nice swatch. Indiana Pacers. Is that a combo team? Pacers. Yes. Jamaliel with the Pacers Clippers combo. And it is a box of 2016-17 Prestige. Great practice pack, so I don't know how to pick. I don't know how to rip packs good or what. That's Lakers Shaquille? I don't think so. Shaquille O'Neal did not play for the Pacers, and he did not wear number 7. It's Jermaine. Well, you never know. Hey, I mean, you get some nice stuff out of here. You can get some nice stuff. I mean, that's the thing with Leaf Unopened. You don't know what box is going to come out. Just like any other product, you don't know what's going to come out of Bowman Chrome. Could be a great box. Could be a type of box. That is the way it goes. Bowman's Chrome is next. Nice. And that will probably be the last break that I'll be able to do until that eBay break. So I have an eBay break that's going to scheduled to be broken at 5:30. So. I don't really know the new releases for other sports besides hockey, but I assume it should be coming out very soon. Alright, last pack, guys. Alright. Well, let's see what we're going to get out of here. We have a Toronto Raptor. And there's the ink. That is a 9/99. I'm just going to call him Jacob. Toronto Raptors. Brian with the Utah Jazz Raptors combo. If I miss any numbered cards, you guys can let me know. You got a True Colors 136 of 199, Carmelo Anthony. Knicks, Mike Tower. Marquise Chris. Might be a short print or something. Teamworks. Prestige Pioneers. Yes, they're both good in artifacts. I think the Montreal Canadiens have a slightly better checklist. That's why they're priced a little bit higher than the Coyotes, but the Coyotes do have a good rookie. Kyle Lowry. Chris Webber. Hardcore Heroes. Sabonis. Nice hit for the Thunder. Although he's not on the Thunder anymore, but that's a nice hit right there for the Oklahoma City Thunder. Did you guys see that Russell Westbrook staying loyal? Staying in OKC. Signed a 5-year, $205 million contract extension. So I was going to go OKC and Bradley Cook with the Thunder Mavs combo. Avery Bradley. DeMarcus Cousins. And there you go, guys. That was the break. That was Unopened Basketball Edition 1-box break number 13. I'll put number 14 in the store. $10 breaks. I'm Jason. See you guys next time.